Hello and welcome to another episode of What's Inside. Today we're looking at a Magic the Gathering promo deck from 2009. This is for the red color, and let's see what's in here. It's ages 13 and up as always, and these were promo decks given out to help advertise Magic. So let's see what we've got inside the red deck. Alright, the cards are sealed up with a little instruction book, or fold out rather. The fold out is just a little rules overview and a little description of what the colors are. So let's take a quick look at that. So we've got our colors, and then it's got a little synopsis about the main product line. On the other side we've got the rules with the general layout of how to play and what the phases are and that sort of thing. So real basic, but the rules are pretty comprehensive here, give you a real good idea how to play. So it's nice they give you this, not just this little stack of cards or something. The map doesn't fold up super well. Paper's not that great on it, but it is nice to have. So let's look at our cards here. If it sticks with the theme, we should have about a dozen mana cards and then some regular cards. Oh, this is black. I said red. Whoops. So there's a swamp, another swamp, another swamp, another swamp, another swamp, another swamp. Hey, look, a swamp. There's a swamp. There's a swamp. A swamp. A swamp. A swamp. And that's it for our mana. Now we've got a Festering Goblin. Ooh, a Drudge Skeleton. That's an uncommon. We've got a Spineless Thug. Another Spineless Thug. Scathe Zombies. Another Scathe Zombies. Looming Shade. Severed Legion. Another Severed Legion. Dross Crocodile. Another Dross Crocodile. A Gravedigger. Unholy Strength. Terror. Terror. Assassinate. Recover. And lastly, a uncommon Diabolic Tutor. Now all these are from the X set, unlike the blue and green, or blue and white rather, that we've looked at so far, that had a couple from another set in them. So these black cards look like a pretty good stack actually. So that there's 30 cards in here, not a bad little promo deck, especially from 2009. So that's what's inside the box. Don't know what else to say other than it's only 30 cards, so you have to add some more in there to make it a little more versatile and flexible, but it face off pretty well against the other decks we've looked at that were the 30 card promos. So that'll do it for this episode. Thanks as always for watching, and we hope to see you next time on What's Inside.